Good morning, everyone. Today the topic is how to download Pycharm. So you type a keyword Pycharm. So finish, then you can get this Pycharm IDA Professionals. Click on this, then go to the download option. Then you can find out two types here: professional and community. So professional is a free trial version. Maybe it will work on 30 days or 45 days. Community, you can download this community. Maybe the file contains 349 near to this, and click on download. So no need to download. Why? Because I already downloaded. It will take some time. So this is the Pycharm 2020.3 version. So click on this. It will take installation start setups. So you need to wait for device modifications. If it asks, you need to give the permission or allow this app to run in your system. So it's asking for modification. It's a very common thing. Click on this and click on next button. So this is the path where we need to see this. Then click on next and select a 64-bit launcher. It's easy for you. Then click on next and install the setup. Maybe it will take a lot of time, or maybe around 2 to 3 minutes. It will take. So all the files, what are the plugins and what we need to be interpreters. So what are the SQL and MySQL platforms. Everything can be plugged into the Pycharm. Maybe all the things in we can use in a single community. Or maybe it's going very fast. Fine, fine, fine. See this, no need to give anything here. It will take more than 2 minutes. I think it's near to end. It's almost near to end. Yes. Select run on Python community and click on finish. Don't forget to click on run. Then why? Because we need to do another little setups here. Because most probably they are using the black screens. You need to select white screens. It's your option. You can select as your wish. Then this is the icon. Click on this. Then click on this and yeah, yes, just confirm it. JetBrains. It's a terms and condition. You need to read it. And click on okay, no need to send anything. So this is Pycharm community 2020.3 version. Will take yes, maybe it's asking for new project. Select a new project. This is the destination folder where you need to save all your programs. If you are a beginner, no need to touch all these things and go for create. Yes, it's loading something. So I'm selected the black screen. Maybe you can get the white screen also. Okay, no need to tips. So it will create some virtual environment. It will help you to develop applications. Yes, everything will be set up. In between, it needs to be installed pip files, plugins. What are the methods? Just erase it. How to start with Pycharm means, so right click on this Python project. It will ask new. Go for Python file. Don't select anything. Remaining will also be supported. This is Python file. Give any name. I'm giving first. No need to give any dot extensions. Then select Python file. And see here, it's loading. SDK index Python SDK Python 3.9 version is loading. Why? Because I installed 3.9. Okay. So once it loaded, then write your program. I'm checking print hello. See here, there is a run button here. Run button. The run on main. Click on main. So see here, I PyCharm. Fine. So second thing, go and give a equal to 10, b equal to 20, then c equal to a plus b. Then I can write one second. Then I can write print c. So again, I'm going to be compile the program before compilation. Save the program and run on main. Okay, fine. Yes, yeah, it's something installation. Fine. Then go and check run on main. Oh my god. Okay, right click here, run on first. Yes, it's coming. See this alone 30. So this is the setup, how to do all these things. So this is the installation and how to use. If you have any doubts, please mention your what are the doubt in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.